How to add friend in Popo Live. In this video, I will walk you through the simple steps on how to add friend in Popo Live. I'll guide you every step of the way. Let's get started. So the first step, open your Popo Live app. Launch the app and log into your account. The second step is search for your friend. Tap the search icon and enter their username or ID. The step 3 is visiting their profile. Once you find them, tap their profile picture to open their profile. The step 4 is sending a friend request. Click on add friend or follow button to send a request. The fifth and the last step is wait for approval. Your friend will receive a request and once they accept it, you guys are now friends. You can also add friends directly from live stream chats. Just tap their profile and follow the same steps. Now you're all set to build your Popo Live friend list.